I've put the shakes of magistrates, I've vaulted prison walls, I've earned my clout through word of mouth and bouts and snooker holes. I'm a solid gun for hire, a fixer for a fee. Ask anyone round here and they'll agree, I am the breeze. I'm a bodyguard for an oligarch, bereft of enemies. I've consulted maharajas on the weft of their Tabriz. I'm an undercover undertaker, a bare-pit referee. There's only 4 words on my CV, I am the breeze. I'll stake my reputation on my whiskers and my wits. I've made a mark of undercards and car-park pugilists. Around this town I'm pound for pound the only man to beat. If you care to go the distance then we'll see, I am the breeze. I breakfasted in Moscow, I've suppered in Belize, declared a sawn of suntan and a tropical disease. I've crossed the straits of Johor, been back before my tea. Sahara sands still turn up in my jeans, I am the breeze. But my tales are tall as tower blocks, my alibis are slim. My anecdotes are on the ropes, they've thrown the towel in. I'm prone to flights of fancy and I fabricate with ease. But if you tell another soul, you'd best believe I am the breeze.